Welcome to this quick demonstration of the timer step in DocQ. Today, I'll show you how the timer step works inside a workflow, why it's useful, and how each timer type, static duration, dynamic from variables, and dynamic from schedule, can automate delays and scheduled actions in your processes. In this example workflow, the timer step is positioned between the start and the end step. This delay ensures the workflow only continues at the exact moment we define. Let's select the timer step. On the right side panel, scroll down to find Step Properties. Here, you'll see the main configuration called Timer. The timer controls when the workflow is allowed to move forward, and DocQ gives you three flexible options. The first option is Static Duration. This is the simplest type. You manually define a fixed waiting period. For example, I can set the timer to 1 hour. This means the workflow will pause here and only continue after 1 hour has passed. The second option is Dynamic from Variables, which makes the waiting time fully customizable based on user input from the form or values in your document template. Here's how it works. First, in the Workflow Properties, choose the document template used in this workflow. By selecting the template, DocQ loads all available variables. Now, inside the timer step, enable the option to use a variable value, then choose the field that contains the delay you want. This makes the workflow dynamic, flexible, and user-driven. The third option is Dynamic from Schedule, which allows you to decide precisely when the workflow should continue based on a calendar. Here, you can select specific days of the week, specific days of the month, and specific months of the year. For example, if I select Monday, Day 1, all months of the year, the workflow will only move forward on the first day of the month that falls on a Monday. If the next matching date happens 2 months from now, the workflow waits until that moment. To recap, the timer step gives you full control over when the workflow moves forward, whether through a fixed wait time, a dynamic value from variables, or a scheduled date. Using timers keeps your processes organized, predictable, and perfectly timed. Thank you for watching.